A lot of monitoring and evaluation systems fall into the trap of only measuring what was done, not what changed. For example, 20 workshops conducted, 500 participants trained, 1,000 brochures distributed. It looks impressive. However, what is the result of all these activities? For example, did anything change because of the training? Did the training lead to new behaviors? Are participants applying what they learned? Did policies change because of the advocacy efforts? These numbers don't tell you that. It only told you what happened, but not if change happened. Now, how do you get out of the trap of just counting activities? Here is a tool you can use. I call it the so what tool. Every time you list an activity, ask yourself, so what? This forces you to go beyond activities to actually look at the changes and impact. Take, for example, we trained 500 teachers. Ask yourself, so what? As a result of the training, they improved their understanding on inclusive education. So what? Okay, because of that, classrooms are now accessible for persons or students with disabilities. Now we're talking, and that's when you're getting to outcome level and impact to capture behavior change. And remember, outcomes and impact, it's not immediate. It takes time. So if you're only tracking things that occur in the short term, usually it's just an activity. So follow up. So after your trainings, find out, did participants use any of the knowledge? So a better measurement than just 50 trainings conducted would be 6 months later, 60% of persons reported using the skills learned. This is how you are now measuring outcomes and impact and not just tracking activities. To help you focus on counting more than just activities, have indicators that focus on knowledge retention, such as the percentage of persons recalling key concepts after 3 months. Have indicators on the application of skills, so not just knowledge retention, but have they applied the skills that they have used? For example, number of trained teachers using new methods, and also the community impact, percentage increase in access to services. So in conclusion, to move away from just tracking activities to measuring impact, keep asking yourself, so what? We had the training, so what? And also track changes over time. Follow up, not just right after the training or the event, but 3 months later, 6 months later, a year later, and even beyond, and select indicators related to behavior change.